Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, in my case it's Scarlett, then select edit icon, and now click on the camera tab right here. And you can either take a photo just as if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery, and this is what I will pick. Choose photo, then select the item, the picture that you would like to cover this contact with, and now you can customize it. You can, as you can see, personalize the picture, and I will leave it this way, then tap on done, and finally click on confirmation mark. And now it has been saved, so as you can see, you've just assigned profile picture to a contact, and from now on, every time this number will be calling you, you will see this profile picture. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can add profile picture to a contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.